Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching English by Joseph MAAM. And those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the other upcoming notifications. And those who have joined newly, I welcome all of you. Thank you so much for watching me and keep watching me till the end. And today, my dear friends, I brought before you a new topic. Some new topic I brought for you, a very different topic that is we do and we use in a day-to-day life, but with different, I can say, is what I mean to say is in a very wrong pronunciation. गलत तरीके से उच्चारण करके बोलते हैं words को. So today I have got the correct pronunciation, the way to speak correct words. So now without wasting any time, let us begin. Okay. So here is a word. The first word most of us we use, especially in school. The teachers, like they say, okay, today is a poem competition. Poem. That word which the teachers pronounce and which we also pronounce, we say it in a wrong way. That is wrong. It's poem. Now you might be thinking, oh, you are teaching wrong, and then you want, okay, she's teaching something wrong. Let me move. Oh, leave it. It's not something right what she's teaching. But no, my dear friends, you can check in any of the dictionaries and you'll find the correct way to speak the word. This word is poem. 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 Here E is silent over here. Okay, so E is silent. It will be pronounced as, you will say the correct word, poem. Poem. It's not poem. It's poem. Please do correct it. You will find it in the dictionary. If I am saying it wrong, then please do message me and comment me that ma'am, you are teaching wrong. Okay, so let us come to the next word. We say this word as February. We say it February, but no, it's wrong. Here the R is silent. February. It's not February. Most of us say it wrong. It's February. February. Okay. Because whenever we speak, although we say in the correct way, today is the month of February. No, it's wrong. It's February. February. R is silent over here. If you see my previous videos, there I taught consonants and vowels, how to correct the like A, E, I, O, U. These words are silent. Okay. So the correct word is February. Next we come, this word we say tuition. Tuition. The correct pronunciation is tuition. Tuition. The word is tuition, not tuition. Tuition बोलते हैं? You all call it tuition? No, it's tuition. Tuition. Now this word is almond. आप लोग word से बोलते हैं, you call this almond. It's not almond. Here again L is silence. L is silence. So you will say this word in correct pronunciation as almond. I am eating few almonds. You will not say it almond. It's almond, my dear friends. So if you are speaking it in a incorrect way, just now you correct it. If anybody tells you that you are pronouncing it correct, आप गलत तरीके से बोलो. अगर कोई भी आपको बोलता है कि आप गलत तरीके से इसको pronounce कर रहे हो इस word को, और poem you are pronouncing it in an incorrect way, just tell them to watch Hazel ma'am's channel. That's it. Okay. Next we say this word is, what is this word? तो खांसी आती है, खांसी. Cough. It's not cough. It is cough. 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 You will say it as cough. Okay. Now the next word is, बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं coupon. Coupon क्या होता है? When you buy something, you get a 5,000 rupees coupon. बोलते हैं coupon मिला है सामान को और खरीदने के लिए. So it is wrong. It is wrong. The correct word is coupon. 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 It is coupon. If you people have been pronouncing this word as coupon, no, my dear friend, it's wrong. Now you correct yourself and you try to speak this correct word. It's coupon. Next is you have heard the many of the politicians speaking this word as government. Government, they say government. It's wrong. The word is government. Here this R is silent. Government. I have heard most of the politicians they speak this word government. The government word is wrong. It is pronounced as government. Government. Okay. Now next word we come to when you want your dress to be in a proper well-ironed way, to have it well when you're going for a party, what will you do? You have to take out your dress and you have to iron it up. आप किसको भेजते हैं? You send it to the washerman to iron your clothes. So it's called iron. That is iron जो press होता है, हिंदी में press बोलते हैं. You will pronounce this word as iron. Iron, not iron. Not iron. Not iron. Iron you will not say. You will say iron. Iron. Please iron my clothes. Okay. Now next we come to this word is like you want to give a party. Where will you give your party? In a restaurant. Restaurant बोलते हैं आप लोग. You'll say most of us say it restaurant. No, it's wrong. It's restaurant. 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 Now next is the word usually we call police. Police? No, it's police. Police. The word is police, not please. Police. The word is police. You will not say this word as police. Okay. So if you feel that I am saying wrong, then please do comment in the comment box and let me know what is the correct pronunciation. Now next we come to the word which is very essential for our everyday life, that is water. Most of us say water. You say T-E-R. It's water. 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 Now this word, most of all is very important. They say this executive. It is the correct pronunciation is executive. 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 Next we come to the days of the week. We usually say this word as Wednesday. 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 It is Wednesday. The D here will be silent. Wednesday. Wednesday. W-E-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Here the D will be again cut out. Now this word usually we say chair. Because you have been hearing this word chair. It's not chair. It's chair. It's chair. I've heard most of you all, even our surroundings, when we speak, usually the word that comes out chair. Please bring the chair. No, it is wrong, my dear friends. You will say chair. Chair. Repeat after me. If you are saying this wrong, now from today onwards, repeat it. Start repeating it, learn it. And if you are watching me, please watch till the end, because if you skip it up, then it will be no use. So if you need a correct way, you want to speak something very fluently, very correctly, in a correct way, then you have to be tuned till the end. Okay. So I said this word as chair. It's not chair, it's chair. Here A will be silent. The A will be silent over here. Next, it is sour. It's not sour. It's sour. Sour means what? The soup was very sour. It was very, like you can say salt, like khatta. Isko bolte sour. The tomatoes are very sour. You will not say sour. It's very sour. Now, here, the dog ran is the, like you say, the lion is the fastest. We say fastest, not fastest. It is fast. Fastest. The T again will be moved from your silent. Fastest. Fastest. Next word that we do in a day-to-day life is to do communication with your friends. So the next word we will pronounce that communicate. Communicate. You break the word, you say communicate. You will break these words and say in a full form. Communicate. Next we come to, we say this word as conversation, like we day to day we do it in a family, in a friends. It's not conversation, it's conversation. Conversation. It's not conversation, it is conversation. Next is we fill water in it. It is bottle. आपने बोल दो इसको bottle. It's not bottle, it's bottle. Bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. The word is bottle. Correct word. Next that we have is we buy and we eat is, we say vegetable. Most of us say this word as vegetable. That is wrong. We will say vegetable. 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 It's not vegetable. It's vegetable. Next is woman. Woman. You will say woman, and woman and women is different. Woman. You will say it as woman. So my dear friends, if these words which you find that I am mispronouncing, I am doing it wrong, then please do comment me and let me know that I am saying these words in a wrong way. And if you find that anything that I have done over here, we have done these words that mispronounced. If you feel that anything is wrong and I've said anything wrong, please do comment me in the comment box. Till then, we'll meet tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you all of you. God bless.